Now, a big issue that I have when it comes to my hair is dandruff, and I know I'm not the only one. And the reason why you're getting so much dandruff is because the scalp is dry and it needs some moisture. So I've created a super hydrating hair serum that's going to really moisturize your scalp and really help to get rid of dandruff. And each ingredient is really towards helping to remove dandruff from your scalp and really help to promote hair growth as well. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into this formula. Now, the first ingredient we're going to have is going to be jojoba oil. Now, when it comes to jojoba oil, this is a really great ingredient when it comes to your hair because this is an oil that actually mimics the sebum that is naturally produced on your scalp. So it really just makes it a really great natural oil that you can use on your skin and on your scalp to really help moisturizing and lock in moisture on your scalp. When it also comes to jojoba oil, this is a really great oil when it comes to dandruff because it really is very moisturizing. It's not too thick of an oil, so it's going to be lightweight and it's not going to clog your pores on your scalp. So it's a really great lightweight oil. And we're going to be using jojoba oil in at 20% of this overall formula. Now, your next ingredient is going to be coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is a very lightweight oil that's very moisturizing, but it's not going to be too thick. So it's going to help to lighten up the jojoba oil a little bit as well, because jojoba oil isn't a very thick oil, but it is more on like in the middle when it comes to a thicker oil, especially when it comes to your hair and your scalp. You want to make sure that you're not putting heavy oils on your scalp because you want to make sure that your pores are able to breathe, and that's really what's going to help to aid in more circulation for your hair and to really promote more hair growth and just healthy hair and scalp in general. Now, when it comes to your coconut oil, you're going to be using this in at 10% of this formula. Then we're going to be adding in argan oil. Now, argan oil is just full of a lot of vitamins and antioxidants that really help to promote hair growth and nurtures your scalp overall. This is a very moisturizing oil that is, again, very lightweight when it comes to your scalp, and it really helps to promote overall hair growth, thickness as well, and it really helps to get rid of any dandruff because of how moisturizing that it is. And then when it comes to your argan oil, you're going to use this in at 10% as well. Now, a really big ingredient that I really love in this formula, and this is going to be peppermint oil. Now, when it comes to peppermint oil, I've seen a lot of products for hair with peppermint oil. Now, it is a bit of a strong scent because it's going to have that peppermint scent, so that is something to take into consideration. But when it comes to your hair, this is a really great ingredient because it really helps to promote more circulation on your scalp, really helping to promote more hair growth, and it kind of gives you your hair in your scalp more of a tingly sensation, especially when you have very dry skin. It really helps to cool your skin, get rid of any redness or irritation that you may have on your scalp, and really again help to promote hair growth while also being very moisturizing for your skin overall. Now, when it comes to peppermint oil, you're only going to need this in at 5% of the overall formula because a little bit does go a long way, but this is a really great ingredient that's great for dandruff and overall hair growth as well. Now, the key ingredient that really makes this more of a hair oil serum is going to be aloe vera gel. Now, I wouldn't be myself if I didn't try and make this aloe vera gel myself. So if you already have aloe vera gel, you can use this in for your formula, and this would be at 45%, or you can make it yourself. Now, when it comes to making yourself, you're just going to need a few ingredients. So you're going to need xanthamgum, you're going to need aloe vera powder, distilled water, and glycerin. And I'll have the formula card right here so you can make a batch in grams so you can test this out for yourself. Now, I know on the off chance that you do have aloe vera powder in your cabinet, then definitely give this formula a try. So go ahead and make gel yourself. Now, I do find that with the xanthamgum, only using this in at 0.5%, it's going to be a very gel-like consistency, but it's not gonna be too thick. Now, if you want a thicker of a formula for your aloe vera gel, then you can definitely up the percentage to 1 or to 1.5%. or you can drop the percentage a little bit if you want it to be a little bit more liquidy. Once you have your aloe vera gel in at 45%, you're going to combine all of your oils together as well. Now I know this is going to be a water-based gel, and then you have your oils, but these are going to mix together well, and you're just going to mix it when you are using it as well, in order to have all of your oils and the gel mixed together properly. Now you're also going to need a preservative, because even though you are using oils, preservative is very important here. You're going to be using that at 1%. It's just a water-based preservative to make sure that you have a longer shelf life when it comes to this serum. Ingredients added together, you're going to mix them all up very, very well, and you're going to see your oils and the gel start to emulsify and combine together, and you're going to see this really beautiful serum that you're going to get. And this is a really nice lightweight serum that's really great for your scalp. I think it's really helped overall with dandruff and not having such a dry scalp, because not only like do you get dandruff, but your head it ends up being extremely itchy and it's really uncomfortable. So using a serum like this really helps to keep your scalp moisturized, and adding in this serum is going to really help that. And a lot of times just using that at night and just putting some on before bed really helps to just make sure that you have extra moisture. And then when you're using a water-based product, that's even better, because water-based products really seep into your pores and really make sure that you're getting all the proper moisture, versus just using oils solely, because oils just a lot of times sit of your scalp. It's not really penetrating into your scalp and really adding in the added moisture that you need. It's just weighing down on your hair. So using a water-based product is really, really important here, especially if you really suffer from dry scalp. Now this is a beautiful hair serum to use and add to your product line, but if you are also looking for just another serum, because serums are really great products to have for your skincare business, then check out this video here where I have a face serum that's really great for beginners to try out, and I'll catch you in the next one.